Once upon a time, 3 little pigs left home with dreams of independence. But in that forest, not everyone gets a second chance to make a mistake, because the wolf only needs 1 blow.
You are big boys now. It is time to leave.
Do I have to go? I want to sleep more. This is so exciting! I want an adventure!
We need a plan. The forest is very big.
Listen to me carefully, my sweet boys.
The big bad wolf lives in the dark forest.
A wolf? Is he big? Is he bad?
Do not worry, Mother. I will protect us.
Always be careful, work hard, and stay safe. We will build the best houses in the world!
We must choose our paths now. Be smart.
I will take this short road. I am tired.
I will go this way. It looks very fun.
Remember Mother's words. Build a strong house.
Yes, yes, we know!
Goodbye, Bricks!
Walking is so hard. I just want a bed.
Hello, little pig. Do you need some straw?
Oh yes, please.
Yes. Straw is very light. It is perfect.
It is light, but it is not very strong.
I do not care. I will finish quickly.
Done. Now I can sleep all day long. This is the best life ever.
La 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 la. I love the forest. It is a big playground.
Good morning. Do you want to buy some wood?
Wood is good. I will take all of it.
Bang! 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 Building a house is so easy!
I am a great builder. I am so fast.
It is finished.
Now I have time to play. Come here, little butterfly. Let's play a game.
Your house is nice. Let's play hide and seek. Okay, I'll go hide over there.
This is heavy, but it must be strong.
Bricks are heavy, but they will keep you safe.
1 brick, 2 bricks. I must be careful. Hard work pays off. The wall is straight.
Look at Bricks. He is so dirty and tired.
You are too slow. Come play with us.
Safety comes first. The wolf is real, brothers.
Who is afraid of the big bad wolf? Not me.
Now, my house is ready for anything. This chimney is strong. Nothing can get in. I am so hungry. Time for a pork dinner.
Little pig, let me come in.
Oh no! It is the wolf! Go away! Go away! Please go away!
Then I will huff and I will puff.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin.
And I will blow your house down.
Help! Help! He is going to eat me!
Pip? What is happening? Why are you running?
The wolf! The wolf is here! Close the door!
Do not worry. My wood house is very strong.
2 little pigs. Double the dinner. Let me in.
No! We will never let you in! Go away, bad wolf!
Then I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow your house down.
Help! We're trapped! Run to Brix's house! Hurry up! Follow me!
Arg.
My legs are hurting! I cannot run!
You cannot run forever, little pigs.
Come on, Pip! Keep moving! Come here, quickly! Get inside! Save us, Brix! He destroyed our houses! You are safe now. This house is made of bricks.
Bricks? Ha! Nothing can stop my breath.
He is outside. He looks very angry, Brix.
Open the door, or I will blow this house down too.
Try it, bad wolf. You cannot break these bricks.
I will huff, and I will puff.
Are we gonna fly away again? I don't think so.
What? Why is it not falling down?
I am the big bad wolf. I cannot. I have no more air. You are smart, pig. But I am smarter.
Shh. Listen. He is on the roof.
What is he doing up there?
Ha! He is coming down the chimney. Quick, help me! I will make the fire very hot. Take this, wolf!
The water is full. It will boil very soon.
I smell pork soup. They are cooking for me.
Ready! Steady! Here he comes.
Wait! Why is it so hot in here? Ah!
Help me! I will never eat pigs again! I will eat carrots!
We did it! The wolf is gone forever.
Now you see why hard work is important?
We are sorry. We will work hard next time. My boys, are you all safe? I heard a loud noise. We are safe, Mother. The brick house saved us.
I am so proud of you, Brix. You are very smart.
I will not be lazy anymore, Mother. I promise. And I will have patience. Good things take time.
To hard work, safety, and and our family.
Cheers, my brave little pigs!
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.